Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how you can use Inventora to grow your skincare and beauty business. Crafting beauty products often requires a multitude of ingredients, but when you're dealing with a wide variety of ingredients in large quantities, it's easy to lose track of what you have and don't have. Inventora can help you. Here are 4 Inventora features perfect for every skincare and beauty business. Gift boxes are a great way to sell multiple products at once, but tracking the stock level of each individual product within the box can get messy. With Inventora, whenever you sell a product bundle, the inventory of each individual product within will automatically be adjusted for you. You will be also able to sell the individual products separately if you would like. Wholesale is a great way of enhancing your brand, and Inventora's here to make selling wholesale accessible. You can generate an invoice of any of your sales, complete with the sales details, billing address, shipping method, and order summary. On top of that, not only can your wholesale sales be tracked separately, you can also easily see at a glance which orders have been paid and which orders have still yet to be. Also, with Inventora, you can easily keep your inventory accurate and organized. If an ingredient is running out of stock, it will show up in red, letting you know to order more. And when you receive the shipment of supplies, simply copy over the details to Inventora and Inventora will automatically update your stock levels for you. You will also be able to see how much you've spent over time and the total spent with each supplier. Are you selling through multiple e-commerce platforms or have an in-person stop? Simply sync Inventora with an e-commerce platform you're using and your inventory and sales data will be transferred over to Inventora. Inventora already syncs with Shopify, Etsy, Wix, Square, and WooCommerce. These are some of the features Inventora offers, but there are so many more that can help grow your skincare and beauty business. Try Inventora for free by clicking on the link in the description below. Happy making!